Greetings, future data experts. I'm Rachel, and it's wonderful to have you back at QA Online Academy. Before we jump into today's power move, make sure you've thoroughly reviewed the SQL wildcards material from our last session. Precision in filtering is everything. Today, we're simplifying your queries with the SQL IN Operator. We'll learn how to replace bulky logic with clean, elegant lists. Let's get started. The core essence of the IN operator is efficiency. It allows you to check if a specific column's value matches any value within a provided list, right inside your where clause. Think of it as a shorthand for multiple OR conditions. It makes your queries significantly shorter, much more readable, and easier for your teammates to understand. Let's look at this in action. To select all customers from Germany, France, or the UK, we use this clean syntax. Notice how we just list the countries inside the parentheses. Compare that to using multiple OR conditions. Both give the exact same result, but look how much longer and more repetitive this version is. The IN operator is clearly the winner here. The syntax is straightforward. After the where clause, you specify your column, the keyword IN, and then your comma-separated list of values inside parentheses. What if you want the opposite? By using the not IN operator, you can return all records that are not among the values in your list. It's just as simple. For example, this query will return every customer in our database who is not from Germany, France, or the United Kingdom, perfect for broad exclusions. Now, for the advanced part, you can also use IN with a subquery. This allows you to return records from a main query based on the results of a second internal query. This SQL statement returns all customers who have actually placed an order by checking if their customer ID exists in the orders table. It's incredibly powerful for linking related data. Conversely, using not IN with that same subquery identifies the 17 customers who haven't placed any orders yet. This is a vital technique for finding missing relationships in your data. Ready to test your skills? I have a challenge for you. I want you to find all customers from Mexico or Sweden using the IN operator. Open PyCharm on your computer right now and write the query. I'll give you 10 seconds to solve it before I show you the answer. Good luck. And here is the solution. We select everything from customers where the country is in our list of Mexico and Sweden. Did you get it right? I'm sure you did. Amazing work today. You've just leveled up your querying skills with the IN operator. Our next stop is the SQL between operator, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to go back to previous chapters and keep practicing at home. Repetition is the key to mastery. Please subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok channels and visit QAOnlineAcademy.com for more resources. We love your feedback, so drop a comment below. Happy coding and see you in the next lesson.